Back playing with some big toys. Yes, that is a mini digger. We had some collapsed drains. Now in the first part we showed you digging out the main driveway to get in the new main drain. This week we've got to connect that drain onto the inside, but there's only one problem: it's cast iron. So if you haven't watched part one, I can link that for you. You can watch that first. I want to say again, thank you so much for your support. Really appreciate it. You got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Make sure you hit that like button. Drop me a sub, that would really help me out. Thank you to everyone as well. I hit 10k the other day. Really means a lot. I am going to be doing a 10k giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned for that in the coming weeks. And yeah, let's take a look at collapsed drains part 2. This is what we look like inside. This is the old stack here. So what we're thinking, we were thinking about cutting it up here on the top or below.
Just break the coupler off and the end will be open anyway, won't it?
Yeah, so break this off. We're going to have to take the framework out here, beading off here, and somehow we've got to break through the wall there. But there is all electrical cables and everything that run through there. I have bought a new toy to have a go at this. I've got a new reciprocator with the metal blades, so I'm hoping we can get in there, cut it off, use reciprocator as well just to cut down here. Try and get this old one out. Give you, in relation to where we're working outside, that's the stack there. That's where we've been working, so I'm hoping to come across here, get a new bit of saw pipe in there, and so the one at the moment, it runs that way. You can see there, that's the manhole cover there. So we just put that pipe and we've just got to see now how we get in underneath there. So we managed to break it all out. Now you've just got the shovel in there, just breaking out the last of the cast iron that's under there. Look outside, you'll see that it's starting to come through. There you go. You see it all coming out now, and yeah, we have still got to go there and break all that out to get our rest bend up, but getting the concrete out in there was a bit of a task. Now that's what I bought. That's my new toy, the reciprocator. I bought some metal blades for it, but we tried it on the cast iron stack. It did not work. Absolute fail. I bought some expensive blades as well, but you can see it's just been polishing it, not cutting it. Just would not start. So I have got my angle grinder. Look, I got my goggles. I'm actually gonna wear goggles to this. So yeah, we're gonna just angle grind that off, get that section out of the way. Remember kids, don't wipe your eye with dirty gloves on. Oh, a patch. Right, so that's all grinded off now. We've got an adapter from cast iron to plastic. I can see daylight down there now. Beautiful sight. So we've got a clear path now straight down to outside. Wayne's just going to dig out what I've just pushed down. Now on that cast, we did have to take the guard off the grinder. Very dangerous doing that. Very dangerous. You got no protection at all, because the guard stops. If the blade snaps, it stops coming back at you. No guard, no protection. There's no way I could get the grinder in there. That's why I bought the reciprocating tool with some expensive blades. To be fair, so the metal blades, they'll cut through any metal. Although they don't even touch that cast. But hey, at least I wore my safety goggles. At least I wore my safety goggles. I wouldn't have done a lot if it smacked me in the face, though, would it? So I could have done with face protection, but. Yeah, we can look at getting some of this there shoveled out now and see if we can get that rest bending, try and get it up into the property. Yeah, it's going better than what I thought, to be fair. I've never done underground drains, never. How about that? I know how to do them, I've just never done it in practice. Basically, it's just digging and laying pipes. That's it.
Be a plumber, they said.
I know, Wayne just said it, be a plumber, they said. Absolutely love it, don't we? Alright, so just pulled a bit more out there. Oh, Wayne pulled the ring out. Now if this happens to you, Wayne's going to expertly show you how to put the ring back in. First of all, you put your ring back in, your O-ring, like that, and then you put your cap back on. There you go, just clips on. So don't fear if you pull the ring out. So we're going to put this back in there. Wayne's going to tell me when it's in. It's a bit fiddly getting this in. There we go, so it's to the right, there we go. Ah? We in? There we go.
Yeah, nice. Perfect.
Yeah, that'll do me. You better get out of there. I need that little buggy. You're going to get swept away in a minute.
You can measure from there to the...
So yeah. So now we've got to measure from there to there. We need a coupler, and that should go underneath the gas mains there. Right, I'm going to show you this. Chamfer tool. Really good this is. Hopefully you'll be able to see it on camera. So, got the end of the saw pipe there. Put it on. Look at that. Automatically chamfers your saw pipe. Now that cost me about 35 quid. Best 35 quid I've spent. Get yourself one. Is that having fun there?
No.
Alright, so we're just going to put a coupler onto there, and that should then connect up onto our rest bend. Bring it in line inside if we can get enough pull back on it.
Oh. No, I think we can, mate.
Oh man. I know it's a bit of pain. I knew something with Gavung. Where there's a will, there's a Wayne.
There's Wayne.
It's in there, she's sure as lever, just push it back. Just going to try and sneak it back in there. Full of pea gravel, lovely. You got it?
I'll be in a second. There we go.
There we go. I knew you could do it.
Sorry.
That's alright. Sorted. Happy days. So we're in now, all the way to the house, to the main drain. I'm just going to go inside now and connect onto the stack. So we have got a rubber clamp, transition coupler from the cast feeder beast down to there. So we just put a piece of pipe in from there up to here. That's a 4-inch cast, 4-inch plastic adapter. Just done that right up. The customer's about to flush the toilet. Then we can see what happens. There we go, new drains all connected. Happy days, look at that. Making water flow. Well, happy with that. Go and check these joints. So this is how far we've got. This is how we left it last night. All the drains are in now. And what we're going to do is the hole here. We've got to cap off the old pipe. You can see it there, that's where they've dug it out to. So we're going to have to make some more room in here, dig a bigger hole, and yeah, get in there with a clay to plastic adapter, cut that and blank it off. But I did start filling it in because I don't think we did, and I realised we've got to cap that off. So I'm going to get in there, cap that off, backfill this. So we're going to put more pea gravel over it, just to cover it, then backfill the dirt in there. But that's all connecting then. We have got to get underneath here to put some cement underneath the rest bend, just to hold it up, make sure it's all secure and everything. Obviously backfill all this. We have said to the customer, do you want to leave this exposed so someone can come out and have a look at the footings on this, because, yeah, I tell you that, yeah, just to make sure everything's right with that, because I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be flushing line, not have this big overhang like that. It's a bit weird that is to have a step like that, but I'll see what the customer wants to do. But yeah, we've just got to put some cement in there, backfill this, get the bobcat out, because he's over there somewhere. Wayne here, yes, I might have a go by myself. Why not? So I just put a load of scoops of pea gravel down. Yeah, I did spill a bit. But I am getting quicker on it. So we're just going to backfill it all now with pea gravel. Yeah, lots of pea gravel on that. Wayne, why do we put pea gravel on waste pipes? That's what the audience want to know. Basically, if you ever dig down,
You know when you're at the service.
there you go, you know when you're near it. So yeah, always put pea gravel down on your waste systems. So we go backfill this, and we are actually going to put some pea gravel there, and that little ditch there. So we've got to dig some more out, get down, cap the clay off. Yeah, just there. So the internal stack's done. Yeah, it's getting there now. So now we've got some pea gravel in there. Before we put too much and block ourselves in, we're going to mix up some ballast and some sand and cement, just to bed in that rest bend there. Right, that's all mixed up now. Wayne, he's just getting down and dirty with his arms, just pushing it all underneath that rest bend. We've just been scooping it, throwing it under, just to get some cement under that rest bend. He's a bit awkward though underneath there. So what I do now is backfilling it. So we're trying to get most of this back into there. All of this ain't going to go back in. Very lot we can do, because obviously we put a load of pea gravel in. So yeah, just going to backfill it all, see how we get on. I had a go. Wayne's a lot better than me though. But I had a go. It's all good. Big gravel's in here now. See, it's all cemented up there, all sealed. Wayne's coming back in with one more scoop. Trying to move the dirt from here over to there best we can. Yeah, some of this I'm going to have to do by hand. I mean, the bobcat's good, but you've got to be very precise. Other than that, you start taking chunks of the grass out. So, just going to dump another load of pea gravel in there, and that'll cover all the mains and everything up. There we go. So, I've near enough done the backfilling over there. Move the digger to get onto this pipe here, because we need to cap it off here. Wayne's done half the work by smashing it with the digger. Fair play to him. Fair play to him. So, we're just going to cut that. Put a clay to plastic on and put a cap in there. It'll just stop the rats coming up and smells up into the house. And yeah, you need to make sure you cap these off. It ain't too. I mean, the clay is quite hard, but I mean, you can just literally pick it up in chunks to get it out. But it ain't nice to dig. It really ain't. Nearly there. Absolutely pissing it down today. Great. Did have a thought in my head. Man, I'll cover there. We'll just fill it with expanding foam. I get these weird thoughts sometimes. Be easier though, wouldn't he? I don't know, it's a cap you can get to go into clay. Cap that off underneath there. I don't know, poor Wayne's struggling to cut the clay. Had to set the guard off again, which is no good. Honestly, health and safety's out the window on jobs like this. So I'm trying to cut through the clay to get the adapter on to get the cap in. But yeah, I was just thinking, like, is there a cap you can get for that clay underneath there? Would have been rogue if I just filled it with expanding foam. What do you think, Wayne? I just fill that with expanding foam.
Sounds good to me.
It does now. So that's the band seal, you can see there. It's 4-inch clay to 4-inch plastic. That goes on your clay, that goes on the plastic. Now, I haven't got a height on my side, so I'm going to have to get right down on my belly. That'll just go over the clay. Obviously get them pointing up so you can get your screwdriver onto there. Then we can put blank on there, and that'll be all blanked off and done. Easy as that. Sorted. That's the cap all in there. What you didn't see on camera is I took that back off, then put the cap in, tightened the cap on, then got in there and tightened it up. But that's all capped off now. Happy days. We can backfill that. Yeah. Sort out this bloody mess, look at it. Right, that's it all backfilled now. The bits we took out of here, I thought I'd make some paving slabs just for the customer. Put that there, just so I can edit the footings looked at. The electrical board said they're going to come out and sort that out anyway, because they've smashed all the concrete out. Lawn is looking a mess, but if we did warn them, it'll probably end up like that. But yeah, that's it all backfilled. So Wayne's just washing off his boots. I've just washed off mine. He's tipping it down. We are soaked. Just give this a brush down. The old pea gravel we put in the side. Looks nice and decorative now. Obviously the customer's going to have to get something sorted here. Get all that backfilled. I mean, if it was me, I'd put my path to the front door like that now, but yeah, I'm going to have to see what the customer can do. And it's time for the clean off. Just get the sweeping brush out and try and get most of this mud out the way. I've left a mess while I was doing that. I really like you could do that. It needed to be done. It is what it is. So should have bought my arse probs well, but oh well. Wayne's got the bucket. Wayne's on it, man. Watch this. Wayne the grafter, we call him.
Wayne don't like grafting.
Wayne don't like grafting. Yeah, I'm absolutely drenched, soaking wet, but I'll be honest with you, I've properly enjoyed that. I have really enjoyed that. It's a bit of a challenge, something I'm not used to, a bit out of my comfort zone, but honestly, not as bad as what you think. Getting out drains, putting them in is just the digging. It's just hard work. And say with the bobcat, it paid for itself. It really did. But yeah, really enjoyed that. I hope you learned something as well, because I have today. Wayne, when's our next one, mate?
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. I'm going home to have a shower and get dry. Catch you on the next one.